Hey everyone, Frank with Ice Age Performance. Today we're talking about the 2024 Matryx rail design and what's changed for model year 24. There's been some buzz on the internet with high fax retention, and the difference with this rail versus the 22 and 23 is that it doesn't have a rail tip, the high fax sticks beyond the rail, and the high fax screw is moved rearward. So that makes high fax retention a little bit tricky. There's been some track clips that have been maybe grabbing the front of the high fax, so what we've come up with is a solution for that, and it's a complete kit that works with your factory anti-stab, and we'll show you what's included with that here. Included in the kit, we have a new plastic rail tip design, spacer sleeves, step washer, and another pair of washers for the inside. This is a complete kit that is going to be able to integrate to your factory anti-stab for model year 24 Matryx and is the best solution on the market for adding tips to your Matryx.